In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix FC26 "You have lost your online connection" error on my console. So basically what I had to do firstly is to go into settings right here, as you can see, and now on settings I had to click on network right here and then click on settings and then set up internet connection. And now you're going to check the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. I have a PS5 controller, so I have to click on this option button right here and then click on advanced settings, as you can see. Now you're going to scroll down and change the DNS settings from automatic. So if you had automatic before, just change it to manual instead. And then the primary DNS, write like this, 1.1.1.1, as you can see 4 times here, and then secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Then you have to click on OK in the bottom right corner. So this is the first step, and this is going to give you hopefully this will give you a little bit better connection than before. And then we're just going to go back here and click on users and accounts. Then scroll down, click on other and click on restore licenses. Then you're going to click on EA Sports FC here, as you can see, FC26, and click on restore. And then I'm just going to click on yes and close that game. And basically we have to actually wait a couple of seconds for it to restore here, as you can see. Now when it's done, go back into the game and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.